Hi.
Mire esto como se ve.
Esto parece que yo no sé ahora.
Oh, sí.
I like it, ¿no?
Pero no hay mucha gente. Uy, acá. Just making a quick video.
You're making a video?
Yeah.
Of all my
I like to
beautiful
post.
things? Yeah.
I like to post them
Now, let me see how you're doing that.
in my YouTube.
Let me see. Can I see what it looks like now? Oh, wow, what a beautiful picture.
Yeah.
What is that?
An iPad.
It's an iPad. From who
Yeah.
makes it?
Apple.
How much did that cost? If you don't mind me.
800.
Boy, that is really nice.
Yeah.
See, I'm not. Now, can you take credit cards with that?
Yeah.
Is that what do you use it for taking credit cards? No.
For taking my bird pictures.
Huh?
Taking my bird
But
pictures.
your bird pictures, okay.
Yeah.
What a nice, boy, what a nice picture it takes.
Deme 150 y se la vendo. Deme 150 y se la vendo. Y se los da él.
Everything I make is from the white box and
How are you?
Pretty good. Just making a little video
Oh, good.
of this stuff, you know? Not that many people get to come. Well, I'm from Boston, so it's quite a drive.
I'm sure.
So, yeah.
Pues sí, mira, no, sí. Se ve bien.
Póngalo por ahí, póngalo allí.
Se ve bien nomás.
No la vayan a llevar bien. El de allá está más bueno, es mejor.
¿Verdad que sí?
El de atrás.
Ese sí. ¿Verdad que sí?
Aquí hay otro, si lo bajas, hay otro un poco diferente aquí.
That's all right. So you find the man. There you go.
Toma, estos son diferentes ahora, estos son diferentes acá. Oh, excuse me.
I feel it's not good. Yeah, hang them the feet, maybe. You know, sometimes they sweat. When I see them, that's like
How much for these guys?
that was 65 pieces.
You have pairs?
I think that's fair, but I not guarantee anyway. I think that's two pairs, but if you take them all,
Huh?
if you take them all of them, I make a cheap.
Then you'll make my decision.
Yeah, because I better sell them all the four. Yeah, that's what it
Yeah, definitely gonna take one of those. He keeps coming over. I don't know.
Thank you. Yes. I sold her a bird last year. Yeah. Wouldn't stay away from her. Would not stay away from her. Yeah. I'd walk away.
It's like I have Java's reading and you
Get copyrights on that picture?
Yeah, these are the bird fighters. This is the truth. I got these from a friend.
They're so beautiful.
This, the parents of these, $750. The older pair I got, $850.
Yeah, I know.
From Dillon's. He's down in Virginia. And the father, all red. He's just young. They're only 4 months old. Well, 4 months and 6 months.
This is definitely good.
Yeah, nice.
I keep the kids. Keep the cage. I just put 2 more cages up.
Yeah, when you're ready. I gotta stop right there. This is the brother. I go 5 miles away.
Oh, this is way, just us. I go, we leave them out and then go 6 miles and I got snow and they got green grass.
Hey, what you doing? Finding you everywhere. Hi, Linda.
The baby's over there by himself.
Y se casó con esa hembra, no se casó con más ninguno matrimonio.
I can stay for hours and do that with my rose crescent and she'll just go.
Does she talk?